I'm here in the Highland Central of Vietnam. It is the pepper harvesting season, so you can see people put out pepper on the street everywhere to dry them. They used to be the green pepper, but after dry under the heat of the sun, they become the black pepper. Black pepper can be stored for years, but I like green pepper. They give you a warm feeling for your throat. And the good relaxing smell for your nose. Another famous agricultural product here is coffee bean. It is the flower season of coffee tree, I guess. I think most of the coffee produced in Vietnam and exported to all over the world most of them come from Central Highland Central of Vietnam. Here people live with their rẫy. It's kind of a farm but much smaller. This side of the hill, you can see it's all covered by coffee trees, and they used to be a forest, I think. But a lot of people from the north side of Vietnam come to Central Highland Central, and they start converting the forest here into coffee tree for exporting. And it really become a big business, a famous business for Vietnam now. Beautiful flower, beautiful scenes.